In today's video, I'm going to teach you ChatGPT for keyword research. 5 simple prompts to find your best keywords. We'll move from broad understanding to focused selection, so your content targets the right searches. Start by giving ChatGPT a clear picture of your niche. Describe what you cover, who you help, and the problems they're trying to solve. Ask it to identify core themes, break broad ideas into subtopics, and outline audience needs and pain points. A prompt like, act as an SEO strategist. Here's my niche and target audience. Identify core themes, related subtopics, and the top challenges my audience faces. Helps ChatGPT deliver a structured overview you can build on. Next, turn that understanding into seed keywords. These are the simple, foundational terms people might type when they first explore your topic. Use ChatGPT to generate broad product, service, and concept terms that reflect your niche without getting too specific. For example, using the niche summary above, list 20 broad seed keywords that capture core products, services, and concepts. Keep them generic and non-branded. Review the list and remove anything off-topic so your base stays focused. With solid seed keywords, expand into long-tail variations. These are longer, more specific phrases that signal clearer intent and often chase less competition. Ask ChatGPT to transform each seed into question-based queries, problem statements, comparisons, and specific use cases. Try. For each seed keyword, create long-tail phrases that include how-to questions, troubleshooting queries, best for comparisons, and specific modifiers like audience, skill level, or location. This gives you phrases like how to choose a budget-friendly option for beginners, which tend to convert better. Now analyze search intent so your content matches what users expect to see. Have ChatGPT label each keyword as informational, navigational, or transactional, and explain why. A helpful prompt is, categorize these keywords by intent: informational, navigational, transactional, and provide a one-line rationale for each. This clarity helps you plan content that educates, guides, or sells, depending on what the searcher wants. Finally, refine and select the best opportunities. Ask ChatGPT to filter the list by relevance to your goals, strength of intent, and realistic competitiveness. You can say, from this list, select the most relevant keywords that balance opportunity and difficulty, group them by topic, and suggest which should be prioritized first. Keep what aligns with your content plan and audience needs. As a final sanity check, quickly validate shortlists with your preferred SEO tool to confirm volume and difficulty before you publish. Follow these 5 prompts, and you'll turn ChatGPT into a reliable assistant for structured, intent-aligned keyword research.